What is going on, Street Drip? Welcome back to the channel. We got an exciting day, as you can see here in the thumbnail. Yes, we got the side skirts to come in to match the front lip. As you can see, we got Maxton Designs. They make this nice textured, actually not textured, this one's black, gloss black, sorry. And it has the protective film over it. And this is what we are about to install today. Yes, sir. It's going to be exciting. So it's going to go pretty much right into there from the front to the back. And hopefully this goes on pretty smooth. So stick around and we're going to see the final result. I'm going to try to get this thing set up, test fitted. And we're going to see what it looks like. And hopefully everything comes out. We got nice, fresh side skirts to match the front lip. Alright, so I pretty much have it mocked up here. Obviously it's not going to go that far back, just a little bit of adjustment there. But just so I can get an idea of how it's going to look and how it's going to sit. So it's actually pretty easy. Once you kind of get it up into place, the little grooves that it has kind of fits the bottom, which I'll show you in a second. So you can see how those fit. Let me pull this up slightly there. So it's pretty much going to sit right up to there, and that's an idea of what it's going to look like. So I want to show you guys what the bottom looks like, so that way you know. And then I'll drill the pilot holes and get this thing installed. This should be pretty easy. And also you can see right here, each side has their own arrow to show you which way you should be facing. So obviously you don't put this thing backwards. And another telltale, the Maxton logo is going to be on the front side. So with those two together, you pretty much can't mess this up. And like I did before with the front lip video, if you haven't seen that, go back and watch. Don't forget to take this plastic protection film off. Otherwise, it's going to be extremely hard for you to take off once you have it on. And it actually tells you right there as well, don't peel it off until you got the fitment and everything's right, just in case you need to return it. So that's pretty cool. And it comes with the hardware as well. The self-tapping screws to get this screwed in. So let me see if I can get a little bit of light under the car so I can show you guys better what it looks like from underneath. Because one YouTube video that I did watch, I had no idea of what the bottom of the car looks like. And the video I did watch, good video, but he has the 21, I believe, S5 Sportback, and it's different. It's completely different setup, and the side skirt actually looks different as well. As you can see, this one has like a groove right there, and as you go down the line, there's another groove as it sticks out. So the kit, sorry, not the kit, the side skirt that the other YouTube put on is not like this. This is completely different. This is for the 22 facelift edition of the S5 Sportback. Is going to get you this look. So I think, I haven't seen it yet, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think I'm the first one to do this with the facelift on the 22 S5, or to do a video with it, I should say. I may be incorrect, but let me know. I did search around and I didn't see anything out there. So we're all doing this for the first time. So stick around. We're going to see how it comes out. Alright guys, so here's what I wanted to show. I had to put a jack, as you can see there, it's way too low to show you with the camera. I couldn't get it to fit. And it was also pretty dark. But just so you get an idea of what the bottom part looks like, and then you're pretty much going to be drilling on these points here, so you can see on the front and give you a better look all the way down as best as I can. I know the camera's shaky, but it is what it is. You guys get the idea, and that's pretty much what the bottom looks like. That's what you have to work with there, and that's how the fitment is. So it's pretty cool that they designed it exactly to match the bottom of this car, and the way it fits when it's all said and done is like super snug, especially when you secure it properly. Then you should be good to go. So it's a little tough to record the whole thing while I'm doing it, so I'm trying to do the best I can. I got the fitment where I wanted to, and now I'm just gonna kind of put the pilot on the side skirt and get it fitted from one end to the other, and then go from there. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, there it is. Got the lip on. I was able to line it up pretty easy. The hard part was since it's so long, you know, it definitely, if you got a second hand, I would recommend it because it was pretty tough. I had to use a little jack stand here to kind of support the middle while I get the front screw tapped in and the rear screw tapped in, and then I just kind of worked my way down all the way back up. In total, I used the 10 screws, which is what it recommends anyways, 10 on each side. The screws that it came with, I wasn't a real fan of. I'll show you right here. So they give you these screws here. See how tiny that is? So I didn't like it, and it wasn't holding well. And I felt like it needed a little bit more security. So I used the ones that I used from the front lip that I had previously. Luckily I bought a whole bunch of them. So you can see this one is a lot longer. It also has the, so right there, it's got the screw head versus using this, which, come on, it's not showing well. There you go. Versus using this one, which I didn't like because it kept slipping. You know, when you got this, it holds a lot better. And especially when you're trying to do it one hand, you can kind of hold it like that and just do the rest with the drill. So that one worked really fine. I'll show you close up the difference of the two screws. So you can see that's the one it comes with. This is the one that I used. Much more secure, and I felt more confident with these, just like I did with putting in the front lip. So yeah, that's pretty much it right there. As you could see, that's what it looks like. So I'm off to do the other side, and my elbow's kind of bruised because I kind of hit it. But hopefully you guys appreciate the video. So I'm going to put on the other side. Now I know should be a lot faster. Kind of got an idea of how it should go. So let's put that other side and go from there. All right guys, so the back is done. I drilled all the way to the front. Everything's solid on there. And that's how she looks. Super clean. Look at that. Sits so nice. I love the way that came out. Let's take a look at the other side. I got a little bit more room. But there you go. Much better view, much better angle. What do you guys think? Comment below, let me know. Did I do a good job? Does it look nice? I did the flex test. It's pretty sturdy on there. That thing's not going anywhere. And I love that when you open the door, you still get the factory spacing. It doesn't kind of protrude too much. It slightly does in the back, but I'm fine with that. That's part of the look. But ooh, that S logo though. Yes, sir. There we go. All said and done. And hopefully this weekend I'll do a little photo shoot. And if we get nice weather, I know we're getting snow soon. Yeah, I know. Once again, tell me something different. So yeah, that's pretty much it there, guys. Look how it looks with the front lip. Come around to the side there. Yee, sexy. That looks super clean, super nice. There's a view from up above there. Coming around to that front lip. Front lip looking sturdy. Yeah, I like how this came out. Like I said, it was much easier using that jack stand that I did, because what I did, I put that jack stand in the middle there, the mini one, and I used it to almost like, you know, another human, another hand. So I used that, helped me out a lot. I was able to hold up the middle, tack the back on, tack the front on. Not tacked, I'm not welding, screwed, I should say. Screwed the front, screwed the back, and then just kind of went down in a line and kind of testing out areas that didn't screw in good, or areas that were a little bit more prone to, you know, flex and possible damage. But yeah, guys, all in all, I think it looks nice. Here's a nice low profile view for you. You can see how that thing came out. I love that. I love this curve. Check out the curve. So it comes in right there, pulls back out. You got the full, and then it also goes in again. creating a really nice effect. I hope that's coming out on the camera for you guys so you can see it. Look at that. That's what main thing that attracted me to it. And one of the main things that I love is that it has that curve, so it adds to the overall curve of the car itself. And that's what attracted me to get it. I was on the fence on it, but when I saw that, I was like, nah, forget it. Completely different. Like I said, from the 1920 models that have this available from Maxton Design. But I love that they switched it up. You know, you're getting the facelift, you want something different, you want to be like anybody else. And this is definitely not like anybody else. Definitely my style. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment below. Thank you for watching. Any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer as best as I can. You know, you guys know I'm pretty good with that. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. Help us reach that 500 mark we almost getting to, and then eventually 1K. We're on our way. Street Drip, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one. We're out, baby.